Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Let's meet the Galaxy S26 series.
Galaxy AI can now understand notifications on your screen. I start each morning by checking Now Brief. It gives me a personalized overview of my day. Here's a look at my brief. It includes the weather, my schedule, and even my energy level. And you'll notice it pulled this reservation here. Now here's the amazing part. I completely forgot to put this in my calendar. But Galaxy AI remembered the confirmation in my notifications and automatically reminded me for those calls you can't get to or the ones you don't want to get to. The all-new Bixby is smarter and understands you better. So navigating your device is as simple as having a chat. Now Bixby can bring you up-to-date information directly in the conversation, keeping you in your flow without having to open another app. Galaxy AI already helps you summarize, translate, and read highlights aloud. But now, starting with the Galaxy S26 series, the all-new Samsung browser is partnering with Perplexity. So you'll be able to research faster with Ask AI, a powerful AI tool to help you do more while browsing. Ask AI will take all the research across all your tabs, even your recent history, and combine it with the intelligence of conversational AI to help you answer all of your questions. Starting today, you'll be able to circle to search multiple objects at once, so you can easily find the look. Just use Circle to Search to instantly find every piece, from tops to footwear and everything in between, all in one search. No need for all the back and forth. Now Galaxy AI can assist you right inside the chat with gentle nudges, reducing steps. If you're texting with a friend and they ask for photos from last weekend, usually you have to dig through your album, scroll through hundreds of photos, find them, and then share. But now, Galaxy AI understands the context and does the work for you.
To deliver personalized experiences, Galaxy AI needs information. But we must ensure that only the right services get that access. That's why we built Keep. It maintains the digital walls between your apps, ensuring your data is isolated, verified, and protected. Samsung Knox Vault is physically built into the phone and isolated from the rest of the system. It protects your most sensitive information, such as your passwords, your security keys, and your biometrics. For Galaxy AI features that use the cloud, rule is simple. Your data is processed to deliver an answer and then deleted. We believe in working with the best agents available, building them onto our secure foundation, so you can choose the AI that best fits your life. We work closely with Google to make Gemini the core of this agentic experience.
On the Galaxy S26 series, we're excited to share an early preview of Gemini's next evolution. The industry calls it agentic AI. I just call it getting stuff done. Android is able to launch the app you need in a virtual window. And then Gemini 3 uses its reasoning and multimodal capabilities to make a plan and navigate the app to get the task done, just like you would, turning your intention into action. This capability will initially be available on a limited set of apps with more to come. You can get your groceries, book a ride, or order a meal on apps like DoorDash and Grubhub. Give it a try and tell us what you think.
On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a 39% more powerful NPU enables faster on-device AI. A 19% faster CPU keeps on-device AI feeling instant while your apps launch quickly. With Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, The 24% improved GPU handles heavy visuals effortlessly. And through Vulkan optimization, everything you see stays fluid and sharp. Introducing our largest vapor chamber ever. We're now on our 6th iteration, which provides improved performance with a redesigned internal structure. We've optimized power consumption to give you all-day battery life with up to 31 hours of video playback. Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers the fastest charging speeds we've ever offered, reaching up to 75% in as little as 30 minutes.
The privacy display is customizable. Set it to activate for specific apps or for notifications that may pop up when you least expect them. Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps unexpected notifications automatically hidden for those moments.
And here's Riley to help me show you how it works. Right now, I have the privacy display on. You can see my screen clearly, but you can't see it from the sides. See? But if I want, I could just go ahead and turn it off like this.
Every shot on the Galaxy S26 series is social media ready, thanks to our advanced Pro Visual Engine and Galaxy AI. The front camera, now powered by an AI image signal processor, brings out more of the finer details, helping you capture the soft strands of hair and natural skin tones so your selfies look true to life. And the wider aperture in the rear camera channels significantly more light to the sensor. You'll see sharper detail and clearer, more vibrant images. We introduced nightography video, so you can hold onto that atmosphere even in low light. On the Galaxy S26 series, Super Steady with horizontal lock helps you capture what would otherwise fly by in steady footage. Galaxy S26 Ultra unlocks advanced video recording with the APV codec, now available for the first time ever. So you can record everything in up to 8K while retaining more detail through rounds of editing. You can also capture directly to external storage as you film. In fact, we're filming and live streaming this entire show using the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Galaxy AI understands when you're trying to scan and helps you create a clean copy. It automatically smooths wrinkles and folded corners and even removes your finger. We know you love using AI Eraser to remove distractions and tidy up your shots, but Photo Assist takes that capability a step further. Just describe how you want to combine the photos and watch Galaxy AI complete the moment. It's easy, intuitive, and all done on your Galaxy S26 series. You can tell Galaxy AI what you want to adjust, and just like that, you can generate a whole new wardrobe. I'm sure you've seen those animation photos generated by AI. Now, you can produce that kind of work easily with Galaxy AI. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by our custom AP, delivering robust performance, industry-leading pro-grade camera, with the world's first privacy display on a mobile device. And across the Galaxy S26 series, Galaxy AI shows up in the moments that matter, bringing powerful photo editing tools and meaningful everyday help into the flow of your life. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes in 4 colors, starting at $1,299. And the S26 and S26 Plus will be available starting at $899 and $1,099 respectively. They will all be available starting March 11th, with pre-orders beginning today. And you'll be able to choose all 3 models in 2 additional colors, only available on Samsung.com. Introducing the Galaxy Buds 4 series.
Galaxy Buds 4 series features an iconic metal premium blade design. With Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, we've upgraded the two-way speaker system to a new, wider woofer. Now, bigger woofer usually mean better sound, but space in an earbud is limited. So we reworked the design to create more room where it matters. This is further enabled by a dual amplifier architecture. Each amplifier independently powers the wider woofer and the tweeter tuned for precise performance across their respective ranges. The Galaxy Buds 4 series also adapts to you, so sound stays consistent and refined even as you move. With the Galaxy Buds 4 series, you can just now talk to wake your AI agent completely hands-free. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro delivers a full range audio experience with an advanced two-way speaker system and a new, wider woofer. And across the series, you get hi-fi audio with intelligent personalization for balanced, consistent sound. Galaxy Bud 4 Pro comes in white and black and an exclusive pink gold, available only on Samsung.com. Pricing starts at $249. And Galaxy Buds 4 comes in white and black and is $179. They'll be available beginning March 11th alongside the Galaxy S26 series.
Thank you very much for joining us today, and see you next time.